Join me as I take on the challenge of prepping my land for farming season, and I'll show you my step-by-step process to get it just right. When it comes to farming, a lot of focus is placed on the actual planting and harvesting, but the truth is, the success of your yield largely depends on the preparation that goes into your land beforehand. Without proper land preparation, you're setting yourself up for failure, and that's why it's essential to get it right. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my step-by-step guide on how to prep your land for farming season, and trust me, it's going to make all the difference. One of the biggest challenges farmers face when preparing their land is poor soil quality. Soil that's lacking in essential nutrients can lead to stunted growth, low yields, and even crop failure. Another common issue is pests. From insects to rodents, pests can quickly destroy your crops, and if left unchecked, can spread disease and wreak havoc on your entire harvest. Then of course there's the unpredictable weather. Droughts, floods, and extreme temperatures can all impact your land's ability to produce a healthy crop. And let's not forget about weeds, those pesky unwanted plants that can choke out your crops and steal valuable resources. When you combine these challenges, it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. With the right strategies in place, you can overcome them and set your land up for success. In the next section, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of preparing your land, covering everything from soil testing to pest control measures. Soil testing is an essential first step in land preparation. By analyzing your soil's pH levels, nutrient content, and structure, you can determine what amendments need to be made to create an optimal growing environment. Once you have your soil test results, it's time to start tilling. Tilling helps to break up compacted soil, aerate it, and incorporate organic matter, making it easier for roots to grow. After tilling, it's time to add fertilizers and amendments. This is where you'll add the necessary nutrients to your soil to support healthy plant growth. Finally, it's essential to implement pest control measures to protect your crops from unwanted visitors. When it comes to pest control, there are a number of strategies you can use, including crop rotation, introducing beneficial insects, and using natural repellents. By taking a holistic approach to pest control, you can minimize the use of chemicals and create a more sustainable growing environment. Here's a game changer for you: incorporating cover crops into your land preparation routine. Cover crops are plants that are specifically designed to improve soil health, reduce erosion, and attract beneficial insects. By planting cover crops in the off-season, you can create a more resilient and diverse ecosystem that will support your crops come planting time. By incorporating cover crops into your rotation, you'll be amazed at how much healthier your soil becomes and how much more resilient your crops are to pests and disease. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can make a huge difference in your yield. So, to recap, preparing your land for farming season involves soil testing, tilling, fertilization, and pest control measures. By following these essential steps, you'll be setting yourself up for a successful and bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your own land preparation tips and tricks. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more farming tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be diving into planting techniques.